It's with a heavy heart. We're here to report she's given up the ghost. So this, we'll play this in the beginning. We'll be all excited in the morning. Good day out, you know. We're doing a little tuning, trying to get her starting right. Yeah, then you're here a couple times somebody just sending it to the moon, and then that's when everything went downhill. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of, what should we start calling these episodes, Ben? We need like a name for them. S2 Crazy. Anyways, the car is super clean right now. We had a little issue with some oil in where the spark plugs are at. Not very good, so Ben's gonna try and suck that out real quick. I'm going to, this thing looks really, really good after we washed it the other day. They have some more stuff from Plug Car Clean Systems, which again, Teddy's not here, probably out getting drunk. Super seal tire dressing. Use full strength. Simply spray on a clean tire and let dry. If the vehicle needs to be moved after application, use a foam applicator to remove excess and prevent sling. Anyways, I'm gonna do that real quick. We're gonna try and get the oil out of the spark plugs. We actually ordered some new valve gaskets. What are they called, Ben? Valve stem gaskets? Spark plug tube seals. Put some of those in, get this thing cleaned up, and then we're gonna do a little bit more tuning. So let's go. So we're gonna use a little bit of this super seal. It says to spray it on a dry tire, see what kind of magic happens. So
this video has not been sponsored by Certiflat. We actually still haven't even put that table together yet.
If anybody wants to put a banner up, let me know.
That's true.
We'll put banners up. You know what we need to find today?
Banners.
Banners.
We can get those at Summit.
And a big ass American flag.
That's true.
I was gonna buy them at Harbor Freight the other day. It was only 3 feet by 5 feet tall.
I think that's un-American to buy an American flag at Harbor Freight.
It's un-American?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're probably in China.
No, they are. I don't spill this. Yeah, I mean, we're working on the catch can setup, so. But like, I don't know, quarter. There was like a quarter on the stick, so. We don't blow our seals out, but we don't want to starve the old girl.
Yeah. Let's ride.
Thing's looking extra shiny, like somebody detailed it.
Oh.
You know what? I think it's running. What's your air fuel ratio say? I think it's still getting too much gas. Give her a little rev. I want to see if it smokes again.
It's like hot now.
Really?
Can you run in and grab my key for the GTI? Let's keep my passenger window down. Trying to get all the tuning right. We were trying to fix the warm start and the cold start. We're trying to get this all figured out. It's smoking pretty good, which isn't optimal. So, but like I said, tuning ain't easy. We'll see what we can get done. I'm sure we'll figure it out. How much it's smoking? It's smoking pretty good. Like what?
They say if you have like a cracked ring.
So you think it's fucked?
Yeah. Yeah, I think you put a little too much boost. We're gonna have to go stronger internals. Maybe we'll run her off E85 this time.
This is turning into a full-out race car now.
I mean, hey, she had a good week in her.
I can't believe you blew up my S2000.
Yeah, you blew it up. People will throw at me.
No, you're the one that told me. Oh, you're getting out of it. You're not even staying in it. I'd stay in it today and blow it up.
I said, what pound spring do you want? You said, give me the big one.
So you really think it's blown up?
I think so, yeah. Same thing happened to Dave's Camaro. Like, he had like a messed up piston and it would just puke all the exhaust back up out the intake. She still runs like crazy.
How hard is it going to be to take this transmission, or to take the engine out? There's a lot of lines and wires in here.
She had a good run. She probably would have ran a 10.
Yeah, that's one of the things that sucks now. You just had to start. What'd you do today?
I didn't do
No, something happened today. Because it wasn't like this the other day.
Rebuild her.
I can't believe you already blew it up. This is why we need.
It was already messed up from. Did you really have to make 15 pounds at 9,000 RPM?
There was a lot of ripping going on today.
There's gonna be a lot of internet.
Internet
specialists.
Internet diagnostics.
Yeah.
So maybe it's fine. Maybe it's cooled down enough to at this point in time that it's fine.
Yeah, something bad happened.
We need some sea foam. You know what that is?
It's already making sea foam itself.
What was that? What was that? What was that?
She backfired through the intake for whatever reason.
Well, now what?
Something's still not right.
What do you want me to do?
I don't know. It was still smoking pretty good. Try it again. Were you giving it gas?
Yeah, I was giving it gas.
Maybe try a little less gas.
Oh, she's dead now.
Is it?
Like, it's not even like trying to turn over.
We didn't even really change anything. Is it struggling?
Like, I was just giving it gas and usually it's like, It's like, I can try it again.
Yeah, quit doing that. Try it again. Yeah, that doesn't look good. I said that doesn't look good. You're just smoking a lot out the breather. See this, Russ? This is what they call giving up the ghost. Let her go, old girl. That's the ghost.
Angle over here. That's the ghost.
That's the ghost, and she's giving her up. Still sounds good. I mean, maybe she's fine. I don't know.
What do you mean? That doesn't look good. I bet it's because there's so much fucking oil on that thing. It's fucking burning itself off.
Pull it off. That shouldn't even be hot.
Can I just pull it off now? Is it running?
Sure. Don't cry if you get oil in your eyes. I'll tell you exactly what's going to happen. All that oil's going to come out, but it's going to shoot out the side now. I mean, she's running like a champ. She's just... You sure you didn't how much oil did you put in there?
Maybe too much?
Remember when I said don't put too much oil in? Give her a rev. We'll see if she still sounds good.
That sounds way too good.
She still sounds mean.
There's no way. Maybe I put too much oil in.
Guy. If all this is because you put too much oil in it, check the dipstick.
Check the dipstick. Hey,
if you got me all flustered because you added too much oil.
What'd you say, a quart? I'd probably put in half quart. God, you got me all freaked out, man.
She was running strong today. They normally do right before they blow up. They'll run real.
Right before they give up the ghost.
They'll run real crazy. She's not even giving up the ghost. She's just giving up the rest of everything you put too much in her.
I think I might have put too much oil in it. Because you said quart. I definitely put like half. And I was like, oh, she's been low anyways.
I hope that's the issue.
Could that be the issue?
I don't know. Maybe you just put too much oil in.
This is what's going to determine.
We could just do a compression test real quick and then we'll know if... We'll head over...
Bend the dipstick. I think we freaking warped the dipstick. Someone's
too
gonna
much
this
power.
Is the worst automotive channel ever.
Worst automotive channel, but...
Damn, it's up on the R. Right, that's an H. It's definitely up on that H.
I don't know that there's any oil on that.
Where the hell would it go?
That's dry.
I just tried that. You just pull oil off it.
Guy.
I don't know.
I'm telling you, it should be way wetter than that.
Yeah. Let me try it again.
As much as this thing's been burning.
Put some oil in it. Could it have depleted the entire thing?
Yeah, very well could have. Low, maybe? You look like you're on low.
I really thought that was going to be the issue. Let me give it one more try.
This is the action of a desperate man. Doesn't take you 3... You got it pushed down all the way there?
I think so. But look how much oil is all over here. We were out cruising for a while too.
You shouldn't have oil coming out of there.
That's what I'm saying.
I think we're getting blow by. I think one of the rings are shot. Something. Let's go grab the compression tester.
Yeah, let's go.